क्लास 10 रो आज किसी इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ए सेक्टर ऑफ ए सर्कल whose circumference is 132 centimeter if the angle of the sector is 60 degree. You see the figure, this is a circle, circumference is equal to 132 centimeter, circumference रा formula ला 2 pi r is equal to 132, 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 132, then r is equal to 132 into 7 divided by 2 into 22, काटी देला 21 centimeter, r मिलगला 21 centimeter, then theta is equal to 60 degree given, so area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square, 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21, काटी देले 231 centimeter square. Question number 2, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Find the nature of roots, also find roots. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3, c is equal to 4. d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Minus 4 root 3 square minus 4 into 3 into 4. That is equal to 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. So d is equal to 0, that means roots are real and equal. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root d divided by 2a. So minus of minus 4 root 3 plus or minus 0 root over divided by 6. That is equal to 4 root 3 by 6. Cut the 2 root 3 by 3. Question number 3. Find the middle term of the AP 6, 13, 20, ... 230. Here a is equal to 6. D is equal to 13 minus 6, that is equal to 7. An is equal to 230, which is the last term. So a plus n minus 1 whole into d is equal to 230. That means a plus 6 plus n minus 1 into 7 is equal to 230. So n minus 1 into 7 is equal to 224. N minus 1 is equal to 224 by 7, that is equal to 32. Then n is equal to 32 plus 1, 33. Here 33 term is in the AP, which is odd, so middle term is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. That means 33 plus 1 by 2, 34 by 2, 17th term. So a17 is equal to a plus 16d, that is equal to 6 plus 16 into 7, that is equal to 6 plus 112, that is equal to 118. Question number 4. The AP 8, 10, 12 ... has 60 terms. Find the sum of last 10 terms. Here a is equal to 8, d is equal to 10 minus 8, 2, a60 is equal to a plus n minus 1 whole into d, that is equal to 126. Last 10 terms, which will start from a51, that is equal to 8 plus 50 into 2, that is equal to 108. So a is equal to 108, d is equal to 2, s10 is equal to n by 2 whole into 2a plus n minus 1 whole into d, that is 10 by 2 whole into 2 into 108 plus 10 minus 1 into 2, that is 5 into 216 plus 10 minus 1 9, 9 into 2 18, that is equal to 5 into 234, that is equal to 1170. Question number 5. Important question from trigonometry. Cos a minus sin a plus 1 divided by cos a plus sin a minus 1 is equal to cosec a plus cot a. First of all, we have to multiply the denominator and numerator by cos a plus sin a plus 1 divided by cos a plus sin a minus 1 into cos a plus sin a minus 1. So multiply कर दबा cos square a plus cos a into sin a plus cos a minus sin a into cos a minus sin square a minus sin a plus cos a plus sin a plus 1 divided by cos a plus sin a whole square minus 1 a square m plus b whole into a minus b formula. तो ये गला cos square a cos a sin a cos a कटिगला minus sin a plus sin a कटिगला cos square a minus sin square a plus 2 cos a plus 1 divided by cos square a plus sin square a plus 2 sin a cos a minus 1. So it is like cos square a plus 2 cos a 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a divided by cos square a plus sin square a 1 minus 1 कटिगला और 2 sin a cos a सो ये 2 cos a कॉमन गला रहा cos a plus 1 divided by 2 sin a into cos a 2 कैंसल होगा cos a कटिगला रहा cos a plus sin a cos a plus 1 by sin a that is equal to cos a by sin a plus 1 by sin a that is equal to cot a plus cosec a proved.